Hey guys! What? Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. See Jacob over there, he's chilling. Big chilling. So we're following the River Dart in Totnes. We're going over to a campsite, and then once we're at the campsite, we're gonna load up all of our stuff into the camp and just make a day of it.
Yes, bro.
Capsize you, mate.
Hey guys.
I'm not going in either. I'm not going in, mate. Not happening. And we're here with Jacob and Monsoir Aiden. Oh my god! There's a seal! It's two seals! Oh, there's a baby seal! Did you see that? Yeah. He just poked his head up and... You think? Oh my god, he is fucking massive, isn't he? Look at them. Oh, they're so cute though. Yeah, it must be his kid.
You need a run up. Oh, I'm gonna get a run up.
Wait, you need a run up? Get out of the way!
Get out of the fucking way! I'm coming! This isn't straight! I'm not on this straight!
Yeah. Look at that.
There we go. Oh, it's fucking disgusting, bud. Oh, this has got to go back in my thing. All right. Faster. Faster. I'll grab you.
Oh mate, pull me
up. Oh. No.
It's so bad.
No. Oh, it's in my fucking Crocs. Fucks.
Dad, if you fucking
Oh fuck! My shoes come off. Oh. Look at this shit. Oh fuck.
Oh, people.
Oh, my ass. It's so wet. Lad, I can't walk.
Two sex.
No, you got it now. There you go. Fuck! Oh! Oh god. Oh, this is all fucking sludge and...
Lad,
Brilliant.
what was the point? Taking my fucking oar with me. Oh, it's so sludgy and shit. Lad, how am I going to cut this off?
In the water, I assume. Fucking hell. Grab your paddle then. There's so much water. Where's that coming from?
Oh fuck.
Oh! The hole.
What hole?
What? What's he got? Shotgun shell. What the fuck?
Shotgun shell.
It looks like it. What? There he is. Seal.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Hey buddy.
Hey.
Eyeing you up for food.
Stood there. What? How'd they get to there? Hello. What? There's more. What? There's two over there.
Oh, that's so cute, man.
There's three. Nice.
Ambush us.
That's so crazy. Oh no, that's sick.
Yeah, he's trying to scout us, isn't he?
Hello.
Hey guys.
That is amazing.
Oh.
That's so amazing. Hello. Look at him.
Oh, that's so cute, man. Imagine living there. Imagine having that house. That'd be fucking stunning, wouldn't it?
Perfect temperature, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just sat here wet. Not. It doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter.
That's fucking sick, isn't it?
Pretty sick. Oh gosh. Right. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm just covered in it. Alright. Oh, it's go.
No! Ow! Ah!
What? You can't come on. Ugh. Fucking hell. There's a fat stone in it. Ugh.
My foot fell off my foot just straight on a stone. Looking up,
Right. This is effort. It's just it's oh. Oh, it's gonna hit. Oh, it's gonna...
Go on then.
This one. Oh. That one. Oh. Here. Or is it further? This is Stoke Able, isn't it? Just go up here. Yeah. Watch your feet as well. Just here because we're just getting the water, aren't we? Just a little bit. That'll do. Let's get the water. Water.
You can see the bloody GoPro vision. Me beating you up.
Lovely stuff.
Let's bloody go.
So we go. It's time now. So we go down. I think it's 2:10 low tide. Yeah, just follow the tide really. Careful of the rocks. How far? My fucking croc just came off. Move it to the right. Yeah, there's loads of oysters. Fuck off. Ooh. Ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, watch out for the oysters. They could go through a croc, I reckon. Oh, fuck. Croc came off. Oh. Yeah.
What a croc.
Should we just drag it? See if you can drag it. Huh? That's a lot easier.
Oh.
Stop. Right.
So just move it over there.
To where?
Doesn't matter, just over to...
No, because the tide's coming in. It's gonna. We need to go that way.
Right, check out that way.
If we go that way, we still have to go up. I'm wondering if there's a. Fuck's sake. I'm wondering if there's a place over there. Oh my god! It's welling. Oh, that's not. I'm gonna have to dig it out. Lad. It's fucking stuck. No, lad. Oh, I'll go. Fuck my feet. I'm going. I don't care about oysters. Oh, I'm gonna. What the Look at this shit. It's full. It's full down there. Alright, let's go.
We go back?
Yeah. We can just drag it.
Oh.
I'm doing it. Alright, I'm putting it. I need to put my Crocs on actually. That's dangerous.
Idiots.
So bad.
Watch out for this.
You can pick it up. Pick it up.
I am. I just get it from over side.
I don't know. That's just, oh gosh.
What's happening to your fucking head?
Look at this shit.
You recording?
I think so.
Yeah, fucking over.
Oh fuck.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Right,
sack it.
of the oysters.
Yeah. Slowly now. Careful. It's definitely easier to carry it like this.
Yeah.
Alright. Are you going in that way?
Huh?
You turning around?
No, I was just getting him further in.
Oh.
I just didn't want to
Oh my
fuck up fuck up my new boat. There you go. It doesn't even come off.
3, 2, 1.
Yours is so top heavy.
Oh my.
It's like jumping down, right?
This is so stupid. Yeah. Your paddle's gonna fly. Thank you. Oh fuck.
I'm just gonna fucking move.
Just walking. You walking round?
Huh?
Hey, what were you doing? I was going around the other side. Yeah.
I'm gonna go with it.
Aiden! Aiden! Right. Cool. Cool.
I thought that would keep it in place.
I'll do.